This video will demonstrate the mechanism and principles of photocatalysis. In photocatalysis, when light energy is irradiated from the sun or other fluorescent lighting onto titanium dioxide, a strong power of decomposition is generated on the titanium dioxide coated surface. Because of its properties, microorganisms and viruses are continuously decomposed until they become harmless. The effect of photocatalysis is almost permanent. Let's look at how this works. When light energy is irradiated onto the surface of titanium dioxide, electrons are released. The released electrons bind with oxygen to become superoxide anion. The surface of the titanium dioxide becomes positively charged and takes electrons from moisture in the air. The moisture in the air that has lost electrons becomes hydroxyl radical. The hydroxyl radical is often referred to as the detergent of the troposphere because it reacts with many pollutants, decomposing them through cracking, often acting as the first step to their removal. The superoxide anion and hydroxyl radicals, by their power of oxidation destruction, decompose organic compounds such as COVID-19, unwanted bacteria, H1N1, fungus, salmonella, and offensive odors, turning them into water or other harmless substances and disperse them into the atmosphere.